Global education. Global education.
Hi friends. தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்க எந்த பிரைவேட் காலேஜ் பத்தின தகவல் வேணும்னாலும் அட்மிஷன் வேணும்னாலும் கீழே இருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் ஆர் கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Global education.
Thank you for joining us on the virtual tour of Kalaignar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. KIT is a robust foundation that offers a quality educational system for young minds.
You're with me at the Central Block lawn. A vast campus, a 5-storied architecture that is separated into 3 blocks: the Central, the East and the West. Experienced teaching, high-tech lab facilities, Toastmasters for professionalism, Industry to Institute Interaction Cell, Entrepreneurship Cell, Innovation Cell. All of this right here at KIT.
KIT introduces revolutionary ideas in academic initiatives and activities. KIT has been accredited by NAC with A grade and NBA and is awarded an autonomous status. Let's take a look at some of our featured engineering courses: Computer Science, Aeronautics, Biomedical and Biotechnology, Agriculture, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics and Communication. All our structures are purpose-built. The infrastructure and services at KIT facilitate quality education for our students. We have a diverse student body where students from all parts of the country come together to achieve their goals. National Cyber Defense and Research Center is a one-of-a-kind self-funded initiative from KIT. This modern laboratory facility equips students to focus on web applications and artificial intelligence. The demand for artificial intelligence, computer science and business systems is growing rapidly. Our computer science departments take a deep dive into data analytics, cloud computing and management. Our mechanical department exposes students to industry-powered laboratories. The faculty includes some of the most qualified minds. Students are exposed to various talks from experts in the domain. They benefit by learning from the leading thinkers and researchers from the mechanical industry, in turn helping our students better understand industrial applications. KIT offers an industry-driven curriculum. This assists our students' growth in multiple career opportunities.
KIT provides a platform for our students to bring out their innovative ideas into various industry-related products and patents. The various interdisciplinary projects you see here helped us initialize startups of various domains. Come, let's see what our friends are developing in the Product Development Center. This is our Innovation Center, where students and faculty work on emerging technologies on 3D printing and robotics-oriented programs.
Are you interested in a professional engineering course in medicine? We have biomedical and biotechnology modern laboratories. We have expert faculties to develop students' knowledge. We learn genetic engineering, molecular science and biomedical instruments to get us placed in engineering and medical administration.
Our electronics and electrical disciplines focus on a wide array of applications. Our placement-oriented courses prioritize practical learning.
Let me take you on an amazing journey of the aviation field. Yes, the Aeronautics department. Here at KIT, the UAV Technology Center definitely gives you the right job opportunities, the right choices, and yes, here we are to excel at our field.
Agricultural engineering is a hub of research and training that relates science and technologies for producing food grains. The department offers higher education with theoretical and practical concepts in this discipline. Now let's look into the field.
KIT has signed up with 180 plus industries, research centers, and advanced laboratories. The modern interior facilities at KIT provide an efficient space to help students with their research and academics. Free Wi-Fi access across the campus and access to superior computer labs equip students with the infrastructure that they require for research and also help them to work on their assignments. Our library provides an extensive learning and reading experience. Our faculty and student society foster a culture of communication and training to help students become industry ready. Students are provided with an environment where they can interact and participate to come up with new ideas. Our smart classrooms are fully equipped with state-of-the-art modern technology. They offer an immersive and interactive learning experience. Our conference hall is equipped with world-class audio-visual systems. With a capacity to house 250 people, our conference hall is used for seminars, workshops, and conferences. KIT's iconic auditorium is fully air-conditioned and has a massive seating capacity for about 2,500 people. This state-of-the-art facility provides a spacious stage, green room, audiovisual system, and multifunctional lighting system. Here is where all our hidden talents are showcased. KIT has one of the greenest and most vibrant campuses in Coimbatore. Our canteen offers a much-needed space for hygienic dining and leisure. The space nurtures a sense of community and engagement with the students. The biggest change in a student's life is when they transition from home to a college hostel. Our hostel facilities are where students can spend their time joyfully with their friends. Our hostels provide uninterrupted Wi-Fi with an exclusive lounge experience. The hostel campus offers a memorable boarding experience with a variety of modernized rooms. Both the boys and the girls' hostels encourage students to stay fit by utilizing our modern gyms. There are lots of indoor games and magazines. Our professional cleaning staff ensure a clean and hygienic environment. The sports department conducts sports programs regularly for our athletes to accelerate their skills and endurance. Our transport department provides a safe network of bus facilities that ply over 80 kilometers from our campus. KIT provides a voluntary student training with the National Cadet Corps program. Cadets develop the necessary disciplinary skills that can augment their transition to defense disciplines of the Indian Army, Navy, and the Air Wing. We look forward to hosting you in person at Kalaignar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Visit www.kitcbe.com. TNEA Counseling Code 2750.
Global
Hi
education.
friends, தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்க எந்த பிரைவேட் காலேஜ் பத்தின தகவல் வேணும்னாலும் அட்மிஷன் வேணும்னாலும் கீழ இருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் ஆர் கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Global education. Global education.